Welcome, my dear students. Today, our subject is Maths. In Maths, we are going to revise chapter number 12 and 13, that is multiplication and division. So, let us start with multiplication. Multiply 31 by 14 using lattice method. So, let us start with our sum. First, we are going to expand it. So, as you can see, both the numbers are two-digit numbers. So, we are going to expand both the numbers. So, 31 is 30 plus 1 and 14 is 10 plus 4. Draw the columns, arrange the numbers and start multiplication. So, 10 multiplied by 30. So first we will write down both the zeros, 1 0 of 10 and 1 0 of 30. Remaining numbers are 1 multiplied by 3. So answer is 300. 10 ones are 10. 4 multiplied by 30. 30 is having 1 0. So first we will write it down 1 0. 4 3s are 12. 4 ones are 4. Now let's arrange the number for addition. 300 plus 120 plus 10 plus 4. Let's start from units place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, 31 multiplied by 14, answer is 434. Let's see next question. Multiply 53 into 6 using lattice method. Now here you can see 53 is two-digit number and 6 is one-digit number. So we are going to expand 53, that is 50 plus 3. So arrange them in the columns and let's start multiplication. 6 multiplied by 50. As 50 is having 1 0, we will write down 1 0. Remaining numbers are 6 multiplied by 5. So 6 5s is 30. So answer is 300. 6 3s are 18. Now arrange these numbers for addition. 300 plus 18. Start from units place. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 3 we will write down as it is. Therefore, 53 multiplied by 6, answer is 318. Let's see next one. 56 multiplied by 16. Again multiplication by using lattice method. As 56 is two-digit number, we will expand 56 is equal to 50 plus 6. 16 is also two-digit number, so we will expand 10 plus 6. Arrange the numbers and let's start multiplication. So 10 multiplied by 50. So first we will write down the 0, 1 0 of 10 and 1 0 of 50. Remaining numbers are 5 multiplied by 1. So answer is 500. 10 6 are 60. Now let's see next. 6 multiplied by 50. We will write down first 1 0 of 50. 6 5 is 30. So 300. 6 6 are 36. Now let's arrange them for addition. 500 plus 300 plus 60 plus 36. Starting from units place. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 6 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore, 56 multiplied by 16, answer is 896. Let's see next one. 29 multiplied by 29. So both the numbers are two-digit numbers. Both the numbers are same. So 29 is equal to 20 plus 9. We will arrange them and start multiplication. 20 multiplied by 20. We will write down both the zeros of 20. Remaining numbers are 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 20 multiplied by 9. 1 0 of 20 we will write down 2 9s are 18. So 180. 9 multiplied by 20. 1 0 of 20 we will write down, and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So 180. 9 nines are 81. Now let's arrange them for addition. 400 plus 180 plus 180 plus 81. Starting from units place, 0 plus 1 is 1, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 4 I will write it down, 2 I will carry over. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So therefore 29 multiplied by 29, answer is 841. Now let's see vertical arrangement method. First one, 42 multiplied by 2. We will draw the columns, arrange the numbers and start from units place. 2 2s are 4. Then tens place, 2 4s are 8. So therefore 42 multiplied by 2, answer is 84. Now let's see next one. 24 multiplied by 2. Draw the columns, arrange the numbers. Let us start from units place. 2 4s are 8. Tens place, 2 2s are 4. Therefore 24 multiplied by 2, answer is 48. Now let's move on further. Let's solve some word problems. There are 49 cookies in one box. How many cookies will be there in 7 boxes? So we have to find out number of cookies in 7 boxes. So two numbers are given to us, 49 and 7. First we will expand 2-digit number, that is 49. So 40 plus 9. Now let us arrange them in the columns and let's start multiplication. So 7 multiplied by 40. First we will write down 1 0 of 40. Remaining numbers are 7 and 4. So 7 4s are 28. Answer is 280. 7 9s are 63. Now let's arrange them for addition. 280 plus 63. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 I will write below and 1 I will carry over. 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 343. Therefore, there are 343 cookies in 7 boxes. Now let's go for division sums. Let us start. Mark the lots in the picture and complete the table. Here in the first column they had given total number of balls. In the second column, balls in one group, and in the third column we have to find out how many groups we have got, and fourth they had given balls. So let us start. Total number of balls are 8. We have to take 2 balls in one group. So let us see how many groups are there. Yes, we got 4 groups. Let's go for the next one. Total number of balls are 8. 4 balls we should take in one group. So let's see how many groups we get. Yes, we get 2 groups. Let's see next one. Divide 36 by 6. Find the quotient and the remainder. So let us start. Arrange the numbers and let us start now. We will start saying 6 table till we get the answer 36. So 6 6 are 36. We will subtract from units place. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Let's go for the next one. Divide 26 by 8. Find the quotient and the remainder. So we will arrange the number and we'll start saying 8 table till we get the answer 26. But my dear student, do you think in 8 table we have 26? No, we don't have 26 in 8 table. So what we are going to do? We are going to say the table till we get nearby and smaller number than 26. 8 threes are 24. So let's start subtraction. We will start from units place. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So therefore quotient is 3 and remainder here we got is 2. Let's move on to the next one. Divide 64 by 8. So let us arrange the numbers and we will start with 8 table till we get the answer 64. So 8 8s are 64. Let's subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now in this sum, divisor is 8, dividend is 64, quotient is 8 and remainder is 0. Let's see next one. Divide 58 by 8. So let us arrange the numbers and start saying 8 table till we get the answer 58. But in 8 table do we have 58? No. So what we are going to do? We are going to say the table till we get the number smaller than 58. So 8 sevens are 56. Let's start subtraction. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. So in this sum, divisor is 8, dividend is 58, quotient is 7 and remainder is 2. Let's move on to the next, that is word problem. So let's see our first sum. If 18 fruits are shared by 6 people equally, how many will each one get? So let's go for solution. Given number of fruits 18, number of people 6. Which method we are going to use? Division. So let's arrange the number and start saying 6 table till we get the answer 18. So 6 threes are 18. We will start subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. So lastly statement. Therefore each one will get 3 fruits. Let's see next one. Anil shared 63 stickers among 9 friends. Find how many stickers each friend will get. So let's go for solution. First we will write down given. What is given to us? Number of stickers 63. Number of friends 9. Which method we are going to use? Division. So let's arrange the number and start saying 9 table till we get the answer 63. So 9 sevens are 63. Let's start subtraction from units place. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 6 is also 0. Lastly, statement. Therefore, each friend will get 7 stickers. Let's see next one. There are 45 bottles in one box. Distribute them in 8 or 9 boxes so that no bottles are remaining. So first we are going to divide the number 45 by 8 and then we are going to divide it by 9. So let's start with the solution. Given number of bottles 45, number of boxes 8. Method division. So let's arrange the numbers and start saying 8 table till we get the answer 45. But in 8 table do we have 45? No. So we will take nearby number, that is 8 5s are 40. Let's start subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. As the remainder is 5, we cannot distribute 45 bottles equally among 8 boxes. Now let us divide the number 45 with 9. Given number of bottles 45, number of boxes 9. Method we are going to use division. So let's arrange the number and start division. We will start saying 9 table till we get 45. So 9 5s are 45. Let's start subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. As the remainder is 0, we can distribute 45 bottles equally among 9 boxes. So my dear students, I hope you understood the concept of multiplication and division. Thank you.